Hello everyone, welcome to Easy English with MJ. Do you know how to describe a beach in English? In today's lesson, we will learn simple English sentences that you can use to describe a beach. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to talk about a beach using clear and natural English. Let's get started. A beach is a place near the ocean or sea.
A beach is sunny. A beach is sandy. A beach has blue water. The waves are beautiful. The air is fresh. There are many seashells. Children like to build sandcastles. People can relax on the beach. You can watch the sunset at the beach.
Now it's your turn. Can you describe a beach in one or two sentences? Remember, a beach is sunny, beautiful, peaceful, relaxing. Write your answer in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video and subscribe to Easy English with MJ for more simple and practical English lessons. See you next time. Bye for now.